Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel Hobby Zen. In today's video, we'll be making a crochet compound leaf. If you only know the basic chain stitch of crocheting, then this video is for you too. I'm using cotton yarn with a 10 mm hook. I begin with a slip knot and chain 21 stitches. Here I assume you already know how to form a basic chain. If you don't, then do check our video on crochet fundamentals. When all 21 stitches are done, leave the first stitch and work from the second. This way you will have 20 stitches to work on. Continue making slip stitches in all 20 stitches. In the end, wind the extra yarn. Slip stitches are lesser in height than the single crochet stitch. By making these stitches, we are making our stalk more thicker. I'll wind up the extra yarn here. Our first step of creating a stalk is complete. Now we will begin our second step, that is to make leaves. Now we will begin our second step, that is to make leaves. I'll change yarn at this step, or you can continue in the same colored yarn, but the procedure will remain same. I'll leave 8 stitches from the stalk and work from the 9th. I begin by making a loop in the 9th stitch and chain 8. Now I will join it in the next stitch by a slip stitch. It is the 10th stitch on the stalk. From here I will chain 8 stitches again and join this chain to the next stitch, which happens to be the 11th stitch on the stalk. I'll continue making these chain stitches all around in the same fashion till I reach the starting point from where I began making the leaves. The first side is done. I'll make a leaf on top of this stalk to make it even, and continue towards the other side. The set of leaves will be same. That's it really. Follow this tutorial and a compound leaf will be made in no time. Isn't this adorable? You can use this leaf applique in decorating your clothing or any other accessory made from crocheting. This applique is fun to make and easy to follow. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share your waves in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye till we meet again in our new video. Hey, if you make it, do share it on our Instagram page @hobbyzen. Bye.